I'm Brian Weil.
And I'm Justin Gardner.
Our project was You Sunk My Pico Ship. Alright, so how to play. So it all goes along these buttons right here, and to press, you press button 3 to move your cursor along. First, what you have to do is you place your ships, and it goes one player then the other. So to place your ship, you're going to hold down button 1 and then press button 3, and then that'll place the ship. Your place ships will show up on the left screen, and then you keep going, and you can place your ship one square by one square. So I'll just do 3 for now. And then the next player will go ahead and place his ships. Do the same thing. I'll just put mine right here in the top. Yeah. So then after they place their ships, it's time to go ahead and shoot your torpedoes, as we call it. So to shoot your torpedoes, you just you hold down the other button, which is button 0, and then you press the same button 3, and that'll shoot a missile. If it's a hit, it'll show up red. If it's a miss, it'll show up white, and then that's how you play the game, basically. And the winner is the one that first sink the other person's ships.
Cool.
And so what we did in order to implement it, Battleship is normally played, like that. The board game itself is usually played on two different game boards. So we implemented the same thing. Each Nexys board represents one player's, and they're interacted through these ports. And so every time you place a ship, it sends a signal to the other board, and it writes in the memory where the other ships are. Of course, on your opponent's board, it doesn't actually show you where your opponent's ships are.
So basically, the board is represented in scratchpad memory.
And we rewrote a custom graphics driver so that we could fit both boards on here and actually output a higher resolution than what the normal Picoblaze driver is capable of outputting. And it's more efficient because we have it custom. It's got a custom decoder in it that will output the correct colors with fewer amount of bits, so we don't have to send a full 8-bit
more streamlined.
Yeah. It's a lot streamlined and a lot faster. Yep. And that's basically the game.
Yeah,
Great.
So
Thanks.